Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this 20-minute garlic butter crab legs recipe. Before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let's get started. Alright guys, I will leave all of the ingredients below. First thing first, we're going to start by steaming the crab. I have a pot full of water. I am going to add half a yellow onion in there with some lemon slices. Also, I added 1 bay leaf as well as some Old Bay seasoning. Then we're going to allow that water to come to a boil. When it starts boiling, we're going to add in our Dungeness crab legs. Not sure if you can tell, the crab is pre-cooked already. We just want to heat it up. So I'm going to allow it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once that 7 minutes is up, you are going to remove it from the water and set it aside. Now it's time to make the garlic butter sauce. This is not your regular just garlic and butter. This is actually super flavorful garlic butter sauce. I am going to add about 2 sticks of unsalted butter to my skillet, and I'm going to place the heat on about medium high. Okay, I'm going to allow the butter to melt. Once the butter is completely melted, I am going to add about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic in there. And then I am going to allow that to cook for about 30 seconds. Now I am going to add my seasoning. For the seasoning, I'm using ground black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Creole seasoning, onion powder, and that is it, you guys. That's it, no salt. And I am going to let that simmer or until my butter start bubbling. I am going to place, well, it's not bubbling yet. I am going to add in some red hot sauce in there as well. It's spicy and it also has that kick of the vinegar taste in there. And last but not least, I am going to add some fresh parsley in there. Of course, you can use dry parsley, but fresh parsley is always better. So I'm going to stir that for a little bit more, and basically your garlic butter sauce is ready. Now I'm going to grab the butter and just pour it all over the crab legs. Oh my God, you guys, it smells so good right now. I'm watching this and my mouth is just watering, okay? And yeah, this is it. Very easy to make, super delicious. You can make this in less than 20 minutes and it's cheaper to make it at home. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video you're watching right now a thumbs up. If you did, also subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Happy New Year.